In this example, we have parentheses, we have brackets, and we have braces. So first we have to do always operations in parentheses. Next, brackets, and at the end, braces. So this is equal. We have to go inside to parentheses. We have 2b minus 6 different terms, so we cannot do anything. We have to take down parentheses, and before parentheses we have negative sign. What it means? It means we have to change every sign, every term in the parentheses to opposite. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So let's start from the left side. We have to copy b minus open braces 3a minus open brackets b, and like I said, we take down parentheses and we change the sign because we have negative, so now will be negative 2b. Negative 6, so now will be positive 6. One more time. In other words, we have negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive. Next, we have to copy negative a, close brackets, plus 3 close braces. So this is equal. Next, we have to go to brackets and check if we have the like terms. We have b and negative 2b, and we have 6 and negative a, so they are different. So the rest we have to copy. We have b minus open braces 3a, negative sign, and in brackets. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. Copy the sign of the greater number. 2 is greater than invisible 1. So we copy negative sign, and now we have to just do subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1, and we copy b. Minus 6 minus a, close brackets, plus 3 close braces. So this is equal. Of course, we have plus 6. So now this is equal. b we have to copy minus, and braces we have 3a minus. First we have to do our operation which we can do in brackets. So we have negative 1b plus 6 minus a. They are different terms, so we cannot do anything. So we have to take down the brackets. Before brackets we have negative sign. It means we have to change sign every term in parentheses. So we have negative 1b, so now will be positive 1b. We don't have to write 1, so it will be only b, positive 1b. Next, positive 6, so now will be negative 6. Negative 8, so will be positive a. And we have plus 3, close braces. Again, when we have negative sign, it's like multiplication. Negative times negative, positive. Negative times positive, negative. Negative times negative, positive. Now, we have to check what we can do in the braces. b we have to copy, minus. And inside we can combine the like terms. We have 3a and a, and we have negative 6 and positive 3. So b we can copy, and we have 3a plus a is 4a. It's like 1 invisible 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And we have negative 6 plus 3, positive and negative number. So we have to first keep the sign the larger number. Negative 6 we have, so it will be negative sign. And now we have to subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3. Close braces. So now we have to take down the braces. b we copy. And because before braces we have negative sign, it means we have to change the sign every term inside parentheses. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So now we will have negative and positive, so it will be negative b, negative and positive, so it will be negative 4a, negative and negative, so it will be positive 3. Like I said, we have to change the sign every term inside parentheses. We have positive, so now it's negative, positive, negative, negative, so it will be positive. So this is equal, and now we have to combine the like terms. b minus b give me 0, so we have negative 4a plus 3. So this is equal. First I will write positive number, so we have 3 negative 4a. 3 minus 4a. This is my solution.